Two blind men followed Jesus one day. Have mercy on us, they cried with a plea. Son of David, they shouted on the way. Their faith was so strong, it brought them to see. Jesus touched their eyes and their sight was restored. Their blindness was gone and they praised the Lord. They spread the good news of Jesus' mighty deeds, faith and healing meeting desperate needs. Then came a man possessed, mute as can be. The demon was cast out and the man spoke with glee. The crowds were amazed at this wondrous sight. Jesus' power and mercy shone with delight. They spread the good news of Jesus' mighty deeds, faith and healing meeting desperate needs. Then came a man possessed, mute as can be. The demon was cast out and the man spoke with glee. The crowds were amazed at this wondrous sight. Jesus' power and mercy shone with delight. They spread the good news of Jesus' mighty deeds, faith and healing meeting desperate needs.